Good morning, children. This is Shoaib speaking. Children, we have been dealing with like the chapter which is about decimals, and we are over with the exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, and 8.4. Question number 1 has already been done. So, children, here in this video, we are going to have a discussion on some very important questions of exercise 8.4. I would like to start with question number 2. Express as meters using decimals. Children, we are given some numbers which are, or some measures which are in like centimeter. So as I'm writing on my board, that is 15 centimeter, and I'm asked to convert this value or the measure or the magnitude into meters. Okay, so if I express 15 centimeter in meter, it will be of how much? It will be how much? So that is to be calculated. Okay, children. So now I will be showing you a very easy method to express this number into meters. So the very first thing that we need to know, that we need to understand, is the formula or the conversion process. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, children, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That is to be kept in mind. And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Okay, I said 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. That is to be kept in mind before we start such questions. Now, as the question is 15 centimeter, children, if 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, children, I repeat, if 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, then what about 15 centimeter? Children, just simply we will multiply 15 with 1 by 100. Yes or no? Because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So naturally 15 centimeter means 15 into 1 by 100. So now it will come in meter. Once we are multiplying with 1 by 100, it will turn into meter automatically. So the number is 15 by 100. Alright. Now, children, we can divide 15 by 100. Okay, in divisions, but I want you to know this using a very shortcut technique. You can easily divide 15 by 100. You know what you need. As you can see, the divisor is bigger than the dividend. You get a point, take a 0. Now 100 ones are 100. You will get 50, then 5. So as you can see, the 50 is smaller than 100. So naturally you need a 0. So as you have taken a point, you will get a 0 automatically. Then 5 into 100 will be 500. Okay, so the answer is 0.15 meter. Okay, children, so then the answer is 0.15 meter. So this was the normal divisions process, but as we are studying class 6, so we will be using a shortcut technique of placing the decimal in the numerator. There are 2 zeros. As there are 2 zeros, means point will come in numerator just from right hand side 2 digits before. 2 digits before from right hand side. When the denominator is about 10, 100, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh, such kind of numbers. So in that situations, what happens is point comes point comes in the place of numerator just from right hand side that number of digits before. So here is 2 zeros, point will come before. 5 and 1 means here. So we cannot write 0.15 in this way. We need to use a 0 in order to make it look nice. So answer is 0.15 meter. I believe it's clear to everyone. If no, then please let me know and feel free to speak. So children, question number B is absolutely similar with question number A. I want you to try question number C, because similar kind of questions you will get in exam. So number C is about 2 meter 45 centimeter. Okay, so 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Children, 2 meter is already in meter. Yes, it's already in meter. We don't have to touch this number. We'll not do anything with this. Next number is 45 centimeter. So between nothing means plus. 45 centimeter means, children, if 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, so 45 centimeter means, children, just like that question number 1, 45 into 1 by 100 meter. Okay, because I'm multiplying 45 centimeter with 1 by 100 in order to make it meter. Okay, so 2 meter will remain as it is. 45 into 1 will become 45 by 100 meter. Now 2 meter plus 45 by 100, 45 by 100 will be 0.45 meter. Now question comes from where this 0.45 is coming. As there are 2 zeros in the denominator, point will come before 2 digits in the numerator. So it will be 0.45. Now if you add them up, it will be 2.45 meter, because it is 2.00, then 0.45. Let us add them, 5, 4, and this is 2. 2.45 meter. This is how we actually deal with this kind of numbers. I hope it's clear to everybody. Now I want to show you one sum from question number 3, and I request everybody to try out the next question. 3A is about 5 millimeter to be converted into centimeter. Children, we must know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Alright, now if 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, what about 5 millimeter? 5 millimeter means 5 into 1 by 10. Just like question number A and C of number 2. So 5 into 1 by 10 means 5 by 10. As children, there is only 1 0. Point will come before 1 digit. So it will be 0.5. 0.5 means only 0.5 centimeter. So children, I hope it's clear to everyone. If no, then please let me know. I'll surely explain these questions once again to you all. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.